CyberArk Online Training. Introduction to CyberArk, Overview and Evolution. CyberArk is a leading cybersecurity company specializing in Privileged Access Management (PAM). Here's an overview of CyberArk and its evolution. Overview of CyberArk. Privileged Access Management (PAM). CyberArk focuses on protecting organizations from cyber threats related to privileged accounts and credentials. Privileged accounts are those with elevated permissions, often used by administrators, developers, and other IT personnel. Core products and solutions. CyberArk Core Privileged Access Security offers solutions for managing, securing, and monitoring privileged access across on-premises, hybrid, and cloud environments. Endpoint Privilege Manager provides security controls to prevent, detect, and respond to endpoint cyber threats. CyberArk Identity Security integrates identity management with privileged access management to enhance security and streamline access. Key features. Password vaulting securely stores and manages passwords for privileged accounts, reducing the risk of credential theft. Session management monitors and records privileged sessions to detect unauthorized activities and ensure compliance. Privilege elevation and delegation facilitates controlled access to sensitive systems and resources without exposing credentials. Evolution of CyberArk. Foundation and growth. Founded in 1999, CyberArk initially focused on addressing security vulnerabilities associated with privileged accounts, which are often targets for attackers due to their extensive access rights. Expansion into PAM. As cyber threats evolved, CyberArk expanded its offerings beyond password management to include comprehensive privileged access management solutions. This evolution included innovations in session monitoring, privilege analytics, and integration with other security technologies. Cloud and hybrid environments. With the rise of cloud computing and hybrid IT environments, CyberArk adapted its solutions to support secure access management across diverse platforms, including AWS, Azure, and other cloud providers. Acquisitions and integrations. CyberArk has grown through strategic acquisitions to enhance its capabilities in areas such as identity security, endpoint management, and threat analytics. These integrations bolster their PAM solutions to provide a more holistic approach to cybersecurity. Focus on compliance and governance. Beyond security, CyberArk emphasizes compliance with regulatory requirements such as GDPR, PCI DSS, and others, ensuring that organizations can meet stringent data protection standards. CyberArk's Privileged Access Management (PAM) solutions. CyberArk offers comprehensive privileged access management (PAM) solutions designed to protect, monitor, and manage privileged accounts and credentials across organizations. Their solutions typically include privileged account security, securely manage and rotate privileged account passwords, enforce policies, and monitor access. Session management, control and monitor privileged sessions in real time, including recording and auditing capabilities. Privileged elevation and delegation, implement least privilege access policies, manage roles, and enforce granular access controls. Endpoint Privilege Manager manage and enforce policies for privileged access on endpoints and workstations. Threat analytics, detect and respond to suspicious activities and potential threats involving privileged accounts. Integrations, CyberArk integrates with various IT systems and applications to ensure seamless management and security across the enterprise. Key features of CyberArk PAM. CyberArk's Privileged Access Management (PAM) solutions offer several key features that help organizations secure, manage, and monitor privileged accounts and access. Here are some of the key features. Privileged Account Discovery and Management automatically discover privileged accounts across IT environments, including on-premises, cloud, and hybrid environments. Centralize management of these accounts to enforce security policies and access controls. Credential Vaulting securely store and manage privileged account credentials in a centralized vault. This helps prevent direct access to credentials and ensures they are accessed only through authorized mechanisms. Privileged Session Management monitor and record privileged sessions in real time. This includes SSH, RDP, and other remote access protocols. Session recordings provide audit trails and can be used for forensic analysis. Access control and workflow implement granular access controls based on least privilege principles. Define workflows for requesting, approving, and provisioning privileged access, ensuring accountability and compliance. Privileged Threat Analytics utilize analytics to detect and respond to suspicious activities involving privileged accounts. This includes anomaly detection, behavioral analytics, and integration with SIEM solutions for comprehensive threat detection. Privileged Task Automation automate routine privileged tasks and workflows to reduce manual intervention and human error. This improves operational efficiency while maintaining security and compliance. Integration capabilities integrate with other security and IT management tools such as SIEM platforms, ticketing systems, and identity governance solutions. This ensures a cohesive security ecosystem and streamlined IT operations. Compliance and reporting generate compliance reports and audit trails to demonstrate adherence to regulatory requirements, example GDPR, PCI DSS. Customizable reports provide insights into privileged access activities and compliance status. Endpoint Privilege Management extend privileged access management to endpoints, ensuring that administrative rights are managed and monitored effectively across desktops, servers, and other endpoints. Cloud PAM secure access to cloud-based privileged accounts and resources. Ensure consistent security policies and controls across on-premises and cloud environments. Securing privileged accounts, best practices with CyberArk. Securing privileged accounts is critical for maintaining security across an organization. Here are some best practices with CyberArk's Privileged Access Management (PAM) solutions. Implement least privilege access. Ensure that privileged access is granted only to those who absolutely need it for their roles and only for the necessary duration. Centralized credential management. Use CyberArk to securely store and manage privileged account credentials in a centralized vault. This prevents credentials from being stored in plain text or spread across multiple systems. Rotation and automation. Regularly rotate passwords and credentials automatically using CyberArk's capabilities. This reduces the risk of credentials being compromised due to long-term exposure. Monitoring and auditing. Continuously monitor and audit privileged account usage. CyberArk provides logging and reporting features that help detect unusual activities and potential security breaches. Multi-factor authentication. MFA. Enforce MFA for accessing sensitive systems and resources through CyberArk, adding an extra layer of security beyond passwords. Privileged session management. Use CyberArk to monitor, record, and control privileged sessions in real time. This helps prevent unauthorized activities and provides forensic evidence if needed. Policy enforcement. Define and enforce access policies based on roles and responsibilities within CyberArk. This ensures that access rights are aligned with organizational policies and regulatory requirements. Regular security assessments. Conduct regular security assessments and reviews of CyberArk's configurations and usage to identify and mitigate any vulnerabilities or misconfigurations. Integration with security ecosystem. Integrate CyberArk with other security tools and systems, like CM platforms, to enhance threat detection, response capabilities, and overall security posture. Employee training and awareness. Provide ongoing training and awareness programs for employees on the importance of privileged access security and best practices when using CyberArk. CyberArk for Cloud Security. Use cases and benefits. CyberArk offers several use cases and benefits for cloud security. Privileged Access Management. PAM. CyberArk helps secure privileged access across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. It ensures that only authorized users and applications have access to sensitive data and resources. Cloud Workload Protection. Protecting cloud workloads is critical. CyberArk helps manage and secure privileged accounts and credentials within cloud environments, preventing unauthorized access and potential breaches. DevOps and automation security. For organizations adopting DevOps practices, CyberArk integrates with CI/CD pipelines to secure secrets and credentials used in automated processes, ensuring security without hindering agility. Compliance and governance. CyberArk helps organizations comply with regulatory requirements by providing audit trails, monitoring privileged access, and enforcing policies across cloud infrastructures. Risk management. By centrally managing and securing privileged accounts and credentials, CyberArk reduces the risk of insider threats, credential theft, and unauthorized access, thereby enhancing overall security posture. Integration capabilities. It integrates well with various cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, as well as with other security tools and CM solutions, enabling comprehensive security management. Operational efficiency. Streamlining privileged access management across cloud environments improves operational efficiency and reduces complexity, allowing IT teams to focus on strategic initiatives rather than firefighting security incidents. Compliance and CyberArk. Meeting regulatory requirements. CyberArk's Privileged Access Management (PAM) solutions play a crucial role in meeting regulatory compliance requirements, especially in industries like finance, healthcare, and government where data security and privacy are paramount. Here's how CyberArk helps with compliance. Regulatory alignment. CyberArk aligns with various regulatory frameworks such as PCI DSS, GDPR, HIPAA, SOX, and others by providing robust controls over privileged accounts and access. Control and monitoring. It enables organizations to enforce strong authentication, least privilege access, session monitoring, and recording for all privileged users and accounts. Audit and reporting. CyberArk offers detailed audit logs and reporting capabilities, which are essential for demonstrating compliance during audits and regulatory inspections. Automated security policies. It helps enforce security policies automatically, ensuring that privileged access is granted based on defined policies and workflows. Risk reduction. By securing privileged accounts and credentials, CyberArk reduces the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches, which are critical concerns for regulatory bodies. Integration capabilities. It integrates with existing IT infrastructure and security ecosystems, facilitating smoother compliance management and operational efficiency. Integrating CyberArk into your IT infrastructure. Integrating CyberArk's Privileged Access Management (PAM) solutions into your IT infrastructure involves several steps to ensure secure management of privileged accounts and credentials. Assessment and planning. Evaluate your current IT environment to identify privileged accounts and systems that need protection. Define your security policies and requirements for privileged access management. Installation and configuration. Install CyberArk components such as the Vault, which securely stores and manages passwords and SSH keys. Configure CyberArk to integrate with your existing authentication systems, LDAP, Active Directory, etc., and applications. Account discovery and onboarding. Discover existing privileged accounts across your infrastructure. Onboard these accounts into CyberArk for centralized management and control. Implementing security controls. Apply least privilege principles by restricting access to privileged accounts based on roles and responsibilities. Implement session management and recording to monitor and audit privileged sessions. Automation and integration. Integrate CyberArk with other security tools and systems, CM, ticketing systems, etc., to automate workflows and enhance security incident response. Monitoring and auditing. Continuously monitor privileged access activities and detect any suspicious behavior. Conduct regular audits to ensure compliance with security policies and regulatory requirements. Training and awareness. Provide training to IT staff on using CyberArk effectively and securely. Raise awareness about the importance of privileged access security across the organization. CyberArk and password management, enhancing security. CyberArk specializes in privileged access management, PAM, which is crucial for enhancing security by securing and managing privileged accounts and credentials. Here are some key aspects of how CyberArk helps enhance security through password management. Centralized Password Vault. CyberArk provides a secure repository, vault, for storing and managing passwords, SSH keys, API keys, and other privileged credentials. This helps prevent credentials from being stored in plain text or in insecure locations. Privileged session management. It enables organizations to monitor and control access to privileged accounts during sessions. This helps prevent unauthorized access and ensures that actions taken with privileged accounts are audited and monitored. Automated password rotation. CyberArk automates the process of rotating passwords and credentials for privileged accounts. Regular rotation reduces the risk of credentials being compromised due to prolonged exposure. Least privilege access. By enforcing least privilege access policies, CyberArk ensures that users and applications only have access to the resources and privileges necessary for their roles. This reduces the attack surface and limits potential damage from insider threats or external attackers. Compliance and audit. CyberArk helps organizations comply with regulatory requirements such as GDPR, PCI DSS, HIPAA, by providing audit trails, access logs, and reports on privileged access and activities. This supports accountability and transparency in security practices. Integration with IT ecosystem. CyberArk integrates with various IT systems, applications, and infrastructure components, allowing organizations to extend privileged access management across their entire technology stack. CyberArk and ransomware protection strategies. CyberArk's Privileged Access Management (PAM) solutions play a crucial role in protecting against ransomware by focusing on securing privileged accounts and credentials. Here are some strategies that CyberArk employs to enhance ransomware protection. Privileged account security. CyberArk helps organizations secure and manage privileged accounts, which are often targeted by ransomware attackers. By controlling access to these accounts and implementing strong authentication mechanisms, CyberArk reduces the risk of unauthorized access and privilege escalation. Credential management. Effective credential management is key to preventing ransomware attacks. CyberArk ensures that sensitive credentials are stored securely, managed centrally, and rotated regularly to minimize exposure. Least privilege access. CyberArk promotes the principle of least privilege, ensuring that users and applications only have access to the resources and privileges necessary for their tasks. This limits the impact of ransomware if a system is compromised. Session isolation and monitoring. CyberArk monitors privileged sessions in real time, detecting suspicious activities and terminating sessions that deviate from normal behavior. This proactive approach helps prevent ransomware from spreading and causing extensive damage. Integration with security operations. CyberArk integrates with security information and event management (CM) systems and other security tools to provide a comprehensive view of privileged access across the organization. This integration enhances detection and response capabilities against ransomware attacks. Backup and recovery. While not directly managed by CyberArk, having robust backup and recovery processes for critical systems and data is essential. CyberArk's solutions can help secure access to backup systems and ensure that privileged accounts associated with backups are protected. How does CyberArk help organizations manage privileged accounts? CyberArk specializes in privileged access management, PAM, solutions, which are critical for organizations to secure and manage access to privileged accounts and sensitive information. Here are key ways CyberArk helps. Centralized management. CyberArk provides a centralized platform for managing, storing, and rotating credentials for privileged accounts across an organization's IT infrastructure. This reduces the risk of credentials being compromised or misused. Credential vaulting. Privileged account credentials are securely stored in a vault, protected by strong encryption and access controls. This prevents unauthorized access and ensures only authorized users and systems can retrieve them. Access control. CyberArk enforces strict access controls and segregation of duties. It allows organizations to define who can access which privileged accounts, under what conditions, and for what purposes, thereby reducing the risk of insider threats and unauthorized access. Session monitoring. It provides monitoring and recording of privileged sessions. This helps in auditing and forensics, allowing organizations to review actions taken by privileged users and detect any suspicious activities or policy violations. Privilege elevation and delegation. CyberArk enables controlled privilege elevation and delegation. This means users can temporarily elevate their privileges to perform specific tasks without needing constant high-level access, reducing the attack surface. Compliance and auditing. The platform helps organizations meet regulatory compliance requirements by providing comprehensive audit logs, reports, and real-time alerts on privileged access activities. This is crucial for demonstrating compliance during audits. Integration capabilities. CyberArk integrates with other IT security tools and platforms, such as SIEM, Security Information and Event Management systems, to provide a holistic view of security events and streamline incident response. What are the key features of CyberArk's Privileged Access Management (PAM) solutions? CyberArk's Privileged Access Management (PAM) solutions offer several key features designed to secure, manage, and monitor privileged accounts and access. Here are some of the key features. Privileged account discovery and inventory. Automatically discover and manage privileged accounts across the enterprise, including service accounts and application credentials. Credential vaulting. Securely store, manage, and rotate passwords and SSH keys used by privileged accounts in a centralized vault, reducing the risk of credentials being compromised. Privileged session management. Monitor, record, and control privileged sessions in real time. This includes the ability to enforce session recording policies, initiate sessions with one-time passwords, and terminate sessions if suspicious activity is detected. Privilege elevation and delegation. Implement just-in-time access and privilege elevation workflows to grant temporary elevated privileges only when necessary. Delegate privileges based on roles and responsibilities. Application-to-application password management. Automate password management for applications and scripts without embedding credentials, enhancing security and reducing operational overhead. Audit and compliance reporting. Generate audit trails and compliance reports to demonstrate adherence to security policies and regulatory requirements. This includes tracking access, changes, and usage of privileged accounts. Integration and automation. Integrate with existing IT infrastructure, security tools, and DevOps workflows through APIs and connectors. Automate privileged access workflows to streamline operations and improve efficiency. Threat analytics and monitoring. Utilize behavioral analytics and machine learning to detect anomalous behavior and potential insider threats associated with privileged accounts. Multi-factor authentication. MFA enhance security by requiring multi-factor authentication for accessing privileged accounts and performing sensitive operations. Endpoint Privilege Manager. Extend PAM capabilities to endpoints to manage and control privileges on desktops, laptops, and servers, reducing the attack surface. What are the benefits of using CyberArk for securing cloud environments? Using CyberArk for securing cloud environments offers several benefits. Privileged Access Management. PAM CyberArk specializes in managing and securing privileged accounts, which are critical in cloud environments where numerous users and applications require privileged access. Credential Security. It provides robust security measures for storing, managing, and rotating credentials used to access cloud resources. This helps prevent credential theft and misuse. Compliance requirements. CyberArk helps organizations meet regulatory compliance requirements, example GDPR, HIPAA, by enforcing privileged access controls and providing audit trails and reports. Session monitoring and recording. It offers capabilities to monitor and record privileged sessions, allowing organizations to track activities and detect anomalous behavior in real time. Integration capabilities. CyberArk integrates with various cloud platforms and services, allowing seamless deployment and management across hybrid cloud environments. Automated workflows. It supports automation of privileged access workflows, such as password rotations and provisioning, reducing manual effort and enhancing security. Threat detection and response. CyberArk includes features for detecting and responding to threats targeting privileged accounts and credentials, helping organizations mitigate risks effectively. Scalability. It scales to support growing cloud environments, ensuring that security measures remain effective as the organization expands its cloud footprint. Risk reduction. By securing privileged access and credentials, CyberArk reduces the risk of unauthorized access, data breaches, and other security incidents that could impact cloud services and data. Why choose ProExcellency for CyberArk online training? Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely collaborates with instructors who have extensive expertise in CyberArk's privileged access management (PAM) solutions. These instructors are often seasoned professionals who bring real-world experience to the training sessions. Their deep knowledge of CyberArk's technology landscape ensures that you receive training that is not only theoretical but also practical and applicable to real-world scenarios. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically offer a comprehensive curriculum that covers all essential aspects of CyberArk. Starting from foundational concepts to advanced techniques, the curriculum is designed to provide a thorough understanding of CyberArk's PAM solutions. This approach ensures that learners gain a holistic view of the technology, enabling them to tackle various challenges in managing privileged access effectively. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency prioritizes hands-on learning experiences through practical labs and simulations. This hands-on approach allows learners to apply theoretical knowledge in a controlled environment, reinforcing their understanding of CyberArk's functionalities. By working through real-world scenarios, learners can develop the practical skills necessary to implement CyberArk's solutions in their organizations confidently. Flexible learning options. Recognizing the diverse needs of learners, ProExcellency typically offers flexible learning options. This may include online training sessions that can be accessed from anywhere, at any time, accommodating learners' schedules and geographical locations. Such flexibility enables professionals to balance their training with work commitments, making it easier to pursue career development without disrupting their current roles. Certification preparation. ProExcellency's training programs often include preparation for CyberArk certifications. CyberArk certifications validate expertise in implementing, configuring, and managing CyberArk solutions, which are highly valued in the cybersecurity industry. By integrating certification preparation into their training courses, ProExcellency helps learners enhance their credentials and career prospects in the field of privileged access management. Support and guidance. Throughout the training journey, learners typically receive ongoing support and guidance from instructors and support staff. This support system ensures that learners can clarify doubts, seek additional explanations, and receive personalized assistance as needed. Such guidance enhances the learning experience, enabling learners to overcome challenges and deepen their understanding of CyberArk's technology. Thank you.